Hey y'all, welcome back to DiamondTrail Ranch. If you're gardening in zone 9 or 10, Florida, Texas, the Gulf Coast, Southern California, November is one of the best months to get your cool season crops going. Today, I'm going over 4 things you can plant or work with right now in November that will give you quick harvests and healthy growth all winter long. Tabasco peppers, banana peppers, lettuce, raspberries. Guys, we got variety. Let's get into it. Tabasco peppers are heat loving, but in zone 9 and 10, we can get away with planting them late into the season. If your nights stay above 50 degrees, you can plant new seedlings or keep your existing plants producing longer. Tabasco peppers actually love the warm days and cool nights we get this time of year. They ripen beautifully through winter, and the plants will keep pushing out peppers until you get a frost. And in my area, guys, that's rare. You want to give Tabasco peppers 6 at least hours of sun, fertilize lightly every 2 to 3 weeks, mulch around the base to keep soil warm, and keep the soil evenly moist. These are one of the easiest peppers to grow in warm climates, and they're perfect for hot sauce. Guys, I got several peppers going. We're going to talk about all of them in my videos. Number 2, banana peppers. Same thing goes for banana peppers, guys. It's one of the best peppers for fall, winter planting. They grow incredibly well. They're very beginner friendly in the fall for zones 9 and 10. They produce very fast, even when the weather cools. Again, that's why I think they're beginner friendly. If your summers are too hot and your peppers get stressed, November, right now, is actually the perfect month to start these new plants, guys. Get them going. You want to plant them in compost-rich soil. Cha-ching! Showing you exactly right here, guys. You know where I pulled this from? Those little money makers, aka garden compost makers. That's what I like to call it. So I call garden compost gold money. It's invaluable. But you can't even call it money. It has no, you can't put a price on compost for gardening. I mean, it's fantastic. Plus you get that nice, sandy native soil here in Florida. It's beautiful. It doesn't, you get nice drainage to go with your compost mixture. So you want to plant them again in the compost rich soil, these banana peppers. Water deeply, but not constantly. Add mulch to keep soil warm and give them a light fertilizer like a 555 or fish emulsion. If you want these banana peppers for, sandwiches, stir fry, pickling, you can't beat them, guys. I mean, it's this time of year. Do it. Seriously. All right, guys. Number 3, lettuce. I'm doing it a little differently here at the homestead. We're going to do it in a 20-gallon grow bag. I just planted these yesterday. There are red pepper flakes crushed on the top to keep out squirrels and my chickens. I have free-range chickens, so I'm also watering the yard right now. Well, part of it. That's why you see the sprinklers going. Lettuce loves November, okay? I'm doing it right here. I'm going to get some tags made. That's why the labels are temporary right now. It's just to remind me what's in these bags. I literally just got done doing some of these. So this is the easiest month of the entire year to grow lettuce in zones 9 and 10. November is the month of lettuce, guys. In summer, lettuce bolts like instantly. That heat, man. In November, you can grow romaine, butter crunch, leaf lettuces, iceberg, spring mixes. Okay? So, again, I got an heirloom seed variety over here. They germinate fast and they stay crisp because the temperatures are perfect. I would suggest also, if you're not going to do something gigantic like this, plant every 7 to 10 days for a constant supply. Light shade helps if temperatures jump. This spot right here is actually, you can see the sun peeking through. See the way I got it glaring right there? Perfect. As the sun moves throughout the day, you're getting, see that, the way it comes through? Oh man, guys, that's how you do it. You find a spot in your property that gets that partial sunlight. Guys, in Florida, that's like full sun, honestly. Keep the soil lightly moist. I just planted these today, so that's why I'm letting the kind of backwater hit here from the sprinklers. I plant tons of lettuce this time of year because it's almost impossible to mess it up. Guys, lettuce by itself is a homestead staple, especially if you have chickens, rabbits, goats, ducks, people. I mean, seriously. Number 4, boom, raspberries. The back 3 here are jalapeno. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 little cups of raspberries going. They're a little trickier in zones 9 and 10, okay? But November is when you plant everbearing or low chill varieties. If you've been wanting to try raspberries, this is the month to do it. They like cooler roots and cooler nights, which we finally do get here in November, okay? When they're established, they'll give you sweet fruit in early spring and summer. You want to plant them in the morning sun, afternoon shade. Again, right now I kind of have a nice partial shade setup going on. They are a long-term plant. I actually have blackberries on my fence line as well. So, but raspberries are a little different there. You want to get the low chill varieties like Heritage, Dorman Reds, or the Mysore. Comment on the I'll comment on the video there if I said that correctly. It's spelled Mysore. So Mysore. Maybe it said how it looks, right? Anyway, they're great in the winter, so they could get settled in beautifully. So that's 4 right there. Folks, if you're gardening in a warm climate like I am here in Zone 10A, November's honestly one of the best planting months. You know, I was sitting the other day thinking, man, November, Florida, what do I do? Boom, I have my gardening book. I sorted through it and I said, you know what? I have tons of things that need to go out right now. There's garlic on the back right now too. I'm sorry, that's not garlic, it's ginger. I have ginger growing in those pots that say cherry on them right there, or banana. I reuse pots here, we recycle. So those that's a little bonus for you right here, guys. This is ginger. I'm gonna do a little bonus for you, okay? So ginger's easy. You plant it right there. That's a compost soil mix, a compost sand mix, sorry. It's about 60-40. You lightly water it. Guys, this is only about a month old, honestly, this ginger right here. It's whole ginger in each pot. This one actually came to the surface, so I had to put it back in the ground, and it honestly might not come up because it was it might have been a little too mushy, honestly, but that's okay, guys. You can literally get tons of ginger out of one. So these do grow usually under tree shade settings. So again, this just happens to be the perfect spot where they are, as you can see. Okay, little bonus there for you. Number 5 is ginger. If you found this video helpful at all, make sure you subscribe. It's free. We post new long form videos every week, usually Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. So keep an eye out. Which one are you planting? Do you guys have any peppers going? Do you guys have any banana peppers, Tabasco, cayenne, lettuce, raspberries? Let me know. See you guys tomorrow for the next one.